Though many people use a piping bag to decorate cupcakes, it is not the only way. Knowing how to ice cupcakes without a piping bag is a handy trick if you are wanting easy ways to decorate. No matter the occasion, you can decorate without using a piping bag and still create beautiful cupcakes. Decorating cupcakes is fun because you can be as creative as you want. Ziploc bag. Take a gallon-sized Ziploc bag and fold the bottom corner to the opposite top corner and secure it with duct tape. Use a spatula to fill the bag about 2/3 full of frosting. Once filled, squeeze out any excess air, seal the top and twist the top of the bag to keep the pressure as you frost. Ziploc bag with a piping tip. Using a pair of scissors, cut a small slit about halfway through the middle of the piping tip. You can also use a pen or marker to draw a mark at the halfway point. Then, remove the piping tip from the Ziploc bag and cut a hole in the spot you marked. Return the piping tip to your Ziploc bag and place it in a tall glass and fill it with about 2/3 of the full of frosting. Push all the frosting to the bottom of the bag and remove any excess air. Twist the top of the bag to keep the pressure as you frost and then decorate your cupcakes. Offset spatula. An offset spatula can be another great and easy way to decorate your cupcakes. Since offset spatulas are smooth and flat, you can use them to create a smooth finish in the frosting. You can even create smooth edges and swirls using an offset spatula. Ice cream scoop. An ice cream scoop or a cookie dough scoop both works great to ice your cupcakes. Simply scoop the frosting with your scooper and then place it on top of your cupcake. Butter knife. A butter knife is something that everyone has on hand and you can use it to frost your cupcakes. You can use the knife to make a smooth finish or even try your hand at making a swirl effect. It may not have as smooth of a finish as an offset spatula, but it can still be a great option for decorating cupcakes. How to frost cupcakes without tools. Dip your cupcakes in a bowl of homemade whipped cream or ganache, swirling as you come up to remove any excess. You can also dip them in sprinkles or chocolate chips for a fancy finish. Tips and tricks. You don't have to use a piping bag to make beautifully decorated cupcakes. A Ziploc bag, offset spatula, butter knife and ice cream scooper will also work great for decorating. Do you have any questions regarding how to ice cupcakes without a piping bag? If so, please ask any questions regarding cupcake decorating without a piping bag in the comment section down below. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.